Want to draw this? But don't know how? I got you! Start with a bald head. Then draw a simple outline. Like this. Let's add some details. I'm using a mechanical pencil. Let's do section by section. This is a quick tutorial, so it's not gonna be perfect.
To make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us.
Now the roots. Is that what they're called?
Just the two of us. You and I.
Blend, blend, blend.
We look for love, no time for tears. Wasted water's all that is, and it don't make
More
no
boring details that
flowers.
nobody's gonna see.
Good
Add a
things might
face.
come to those who wait,
And you're
not
done.
to those who
Try it out and
wait.
tag me.
We got
Support
room
this
for
small
all
channel
we know.
by just subscribing and all that other stuff anyways. Bye bye moi.